I'm not going to convict anybody today. That's not my duty.
Ultimately, Magistrate Anne-Marie van der Merwe today found illegal mining inside the crown pillar had hollowed out and weakened the structure, causing it to cave in on itself that fateful day, but that the mine's management, the Department of Mineral Resources and the SAPS all had a role to play. She's found the deaths of Priti Nkambula, Solomon Inyarenda and Ivan Mnisi were brought about by Lily Mine having failed to do a proper assessment, as required by the Mine Health and Safety Act, to determine the possible hazard the crown pillar might have posed, and by the failure of the SAPS and the Department of Mineral Resources to assist the mine's management in their efforts to combat illegal mining and or effectively and constructively address the problem, thereby failing in their constitutional duties. The judgment is set to be referred to the prosecuting authorities for potential criminal prosecutions. In the meantime, the family's lawyer, Richard Spoor, has said the judgment could potentially also pave the way for a civil claim against the state. Because the victims' bodies were never recovered, with the operation called off a month after the fact owing to safety concerns, the court was also tasked with confirming they had indeed died during this inquest, which van der Merwe today did. This was a difficult pill to swallow for their friends and family members, some of whom still hold out hope that their loved ones somehow survived.
For us as the families, it is very crucial to have our loved ones to be brought back to surface, dead or alive, wherever they are, because as Africans, we have got, it's our religion that if someone is no more or is dead, it is better, or we find closure, more especially when we know where he or she have rest, or we have put him or her in his or her last place. That's what we need.
Basically, feeling relieved. Yet there was only one part of which was my sensitive, of which me personally was scared of, because during the proceedings, when Dr. Ganchef was giving his testimonies, Solomon's mom collapsed because it was mentioned that they are no more, they are dead. That was the difficult part, but fortunately enough, the families are stable. The families, they really welcome the judgment, because we'll see paving way forward to the closure that we've been anticipating for. Yet it's a sour pill to swallow, to be told that they are no more, but there's little that we can do. And again, it allows for the mine management to be prosecuted, because remember, as per the inquiry, the recommendations were the mine management to be prosecuted. Unfortunately, NPA say they cannot prosecute up until they are found. So that will assist that process of prosecution. And again, our legal representative did mention that now the family has got the right, has got an opportunity even maybe to sue or to pursue legal action against the mine management. And again, we've been saying that our government is doing little. So today, fortunately, it's not us saying that, but the court of law saying that the DMRE was giving a lip service. This incident should have been prevented because information was there that there is this issue of the stability of the mine.
Bernadette Wicks, Eyewitness News, Mbombela.